Well, thanks for 50 subscribers. That's a good number to have. So today, we're celebrating my mom's birthday a few days early, and also our 50th subscriber. So we'll just be making a chocolate mint chip sheet cake. Okay, so we got the ingredients here, and we thought we'd just use chocolate cake mix because we had to spend like $40 at Safeway just to get ingredients for this cookbook recipe for a cake. So you're gonna preheat the oven to 350, and we're just following this cake mix recipe, or you can just make it from scratch. So yeah, we haven't forgotten about the Cooking on My channel. That's gonna be coming up soon, so stick around. Just using coconut oil. Melt that. My mom says we don't really need vegetable oil. So you pour your cake mix in a bowl. You pour in 1 cup of water. Then we're just putting half a cup of oil in. This coconut oil, which we just melted. We're stirring it in so like the oil can cool off so it doesn't cook the eggs. So you crack 3 into the mixture. One. One's looking kind of weird. And the third one. Now whisk that in. Now I pour the cake batter into the pan. So now we bake that for 34 minutes because we got is it a 9 by 13 inch cake pan? Mm-hmm. Alright, so we're just making half a recipe of the frosting here, the mint frosting. Hey, by the way, there's a bite taken out of the cake. That was probably you.
Probably.
Must have been.
Must have been.
Attempt at humor. Just make butter fluffy. Just mix it for 2 minutes with a pinch of salt. So now we add half a teaspoon, I'm doing half a recipe, of peppermint extract and now vanilla.
Woo-wee!
It's looking good. Now 1 tablespoon for, these are half recipe. Mix that in there. So now, just adding powdered sugar, total of 2 cups. Totally skipped that step. Thought I was reading the whole thing.
Wait.
We could have used food coloring like the recipe says, but not a smart idea. I heard red food coloring is made from crushed bugs.
Gross. Gives you cancer.
Alright, now let's spread the frosting out over it. That's looking delicious. Seems like the half recipe for the frosting is actually perfect for fitting the... Yeah, because whenever I've made cake, there's a lot of leftover frosting. There's like half of it, only half of it's on the cake.
I think some people put frosting on really thick, but I don't really like that. Okay, chocolate chips. Here we go.
Now we sprinkle the chocolate chips over the top. Oh, that looks so good. Yeah, should I have done that?
That's fine. Yeah, good?
What's that? Alright, now, time to review this cake. Mom only wants a small piece. Just give it a try. Alright, Mom, I'm just gonna try it.
Wait, I need a chocolate chip in my bite.
Yeah, of course you do. How many stars out of 10?
Whoa.
How many?
5.
Probably because of the sugar.
frosting is very sweet.
I'm aware of that.
It's a little too sweet for me.
Happy early 46th birthday.
Woo! Thank you.
My mom doesn't like being called old.
Because I'm not.
Alright, now for me to try it. Cut a bit of a big piece of it.
How many stars out of 10? What do you think?
7.
Happy 50 subscribers, kid.
Yeah. So that was just happy birthday to my mom, and thanks for this 50 subscriber. Let's try to get 100 now. So keep subscribing, check out more of my content, and please like my channel. Bye.